Friends, today we will going to do question 27. Following is the receipt and payment account of Maharaj Agarsen Club Diwani for year ended 31st March 2015. To balance BD 6,800. ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट से आएगा ये कैश बेटे. टू सब्सक्रिप्शन टोटल सीट 1,20,000. आउट ऑफ दिस अमाउंट 2,000 belong to 2013-14. Your current financial year is 2014-15, but subscription received in this year for 2013-14 also, that is 2,000. So this amount is subtract from 1,20,000. To sale of foodstuff 8,500. To entrance fees 15,000. To hire of ground 7,100. To income from advertisement in souvenir 22,000. Now payment side, by purchase of foodstuff 6,000. By postage stamps 3,000. By furniture purchase 25,000. By salaries 32,000. By books 41,500. By newspaper 800. By rent, rates and insurance 24,200. By sundry expense 4,000. By travelling expense 18,500. By printing of souvenir 9,200. By balance CD 15,200. Other information. Assets on 1st April 2014 were land and building 1,50,000, stock of foodstuff 2,200 and unused postage stamps 800. Second point, subscription due on 31st March 2014 was 2,400 and 31st March 2015 for 2014-15 was 3,500. On 31st March 2015, stock of foodstuffs was 3,800 and unused postage stamps were of value rupees 600. The bylaws of club provide that 60% of entrance fees and 20% of surplus of any year are to be transferred to reserve fund. Prepare an income and expenditure account of club for the year ended 31st March 2015 and a balance sheet as at that date. Now बेटे देखो receipt side से, receipt side subscription revenue receipt, sale of food stuff. You have to find out profit on from food stuff. Prepare trading account in working note. Sale of food stuff is given. Purchase of food stuff payment side given. And in third point, opening stock of food stuff as well as closing stock of food stuff are given. Opening food stuff value is 2,200 given in first point, and closing value of food stuff is given in third point. Opening food stuff to 2,200 and closing food stuff is 3,800. So prepare trading account in working note and find out profit or loss from food stuff. Third point है entrance fees 15,000, revenue receipt. Hire of ground also revenue receipt. Income from advertisement in souvenir, this is also a revenue receipts of a trust. पेमेंट साइड से देखिए रजे, परचेज ऑफ फूड स्टफ क्लियर हो गया. पोस्टेज स्टैम्प्स रेवेन्यू पेमेंट है. फर्नीचर इट इज़ कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर एसेट साइड आएगा. सैलरीज, न्यूज़पेपर, रेंट, सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस, ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस, printing of souvenir, all are revenue payments shown as expense in income and expenditure account. Books and payment of furniture, both are capital expenditure, so shown as asset in closing balance sheet. और to balance BD और by balance CD, to balance BD opening balance sheet कैश आएगा और payment side से जो by balance CD है, this will be shown in closing balance sheet, cash and bank balance. important point is subscription. Opening outstanding subscription is 2400 in second point, but out of 2400, 2000 is received during the year. 400 subscription is outstanding till date for 2013-14, and current year outstanding subscription is 3500 given in adjustment number 2. So total outstanding subscription will be 3500 plus 400 of 2013-14. So total closing outstanding will be 3900. Fourth adjustment. The bylaws of club provide that 60% of entrance fees and 20% of surplus of any year are to be transferred to reserve fund. 60% of entrance fees. देखो total entrance fees received 15,000. Out of 15,000, 60% that is 9,000 that will be transferred to reserve fund, and remaining 6,000 is treated as your revenue receipt. And 20% of surplus, जो surplus का फिगर आएगा उसे 20% reserve fund में transfer करना है, and जो reserve fund का balance होएगा that will be shown in balance sheet as liability. Now we will prepare income and expenditure account. First amount of subscription 1,21,500. Subscription received during the year 1,20,000. Out of 120, 2,000 belong to 2013-14, so minus हो जाएगा. And current year outstanding was 3500, so 3500 ऐड करना है और 2000 माइनस होएगा और नेट फिगर आएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का 1,21,500. नेक्स्ट इनकम है बाय एंट्रेंस फीस 15,000, 40% ऑफ 15,000 6,000. नेक्स्ट हायर ऑफ ग्राउंड 7,100. नेक्स्ट इनकम फ्रॉम एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन सोवेनियर 22,000. बाय प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम फूड स्टॉक 4,100. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाना है वर्किंग नोट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ प्रॉफिट आएगा 4,100. इनकम साइड क्लोज. नाउ एक्सपेंडिचर साइड. फर्स्ट एक्सपेंडिचर postage 3,200. Payment of postage in receipt and payment is 3,000. Opening postage are 800 and closing postage stamps are 600. Opening postage 3,000 add हो जाएगा 800 और closing 600 minus हो जाएगा. So total postage will be 3,200. Expense of postage will be 3,200. Next expense salary 32,000 as it no adjustment. Next expenditure newspaper no adjustment as it. Rent no adjustment as it. Sundry expense as it. Traveling expense as it no adjustment. Printing of souvenir 9,200 as it. Now amount of reserve fund. There will be amount of surplus will be 68,800. Total of incomes minus total of expenditure. Remaining amount will be 68,800. As per adjustment number 4, 20% of surplus will be transferred to reserve fund. So 20% of 68,800, that is 13,760 will be transferred to reserve fund, and remaining figure will be 55,040 rupees. We will prepare balance sheet opening as on 31st March 2014. First opening cash, receipt side. First है to balance BD 6,800. This is opening cash 6,800. Outstanding subscription opening given in adjustment number 2 2,400. Land and building given in adjustment number 1 1,50,000 opening. Stock of food stuff opening given in adjustment number 1. Stamps opening 800 given in adjustment number 1. At last total. Now liability side. There is no opening liability, so total assets will be the capital fund. Balancing figure 1,62,200. Now we will prepare closing balance sheet. As on 31st March 2015, closing cash 15,200. Now outstanding subscription 3,500 for current year, and outstanding for 2013-14 400, because opening outstanding was 2,400. Out of 2,400, 2,000 is received during the year, so remaining 400 was outstanding. So total outstanding subscription will be 3,900. Now furniture 25,000 purchased during the year. Building opening given as it closing. Books 41,500 purchased during the year. Stamps closing given in adjustment number 3. Stock of foodstuff given in adjustment number 3. At last total. Now opening capital fund as per opening balance sheet 1,62,200. Add amount of surplus 55,040 rupees. So total capital fund will be 2,17,240. Now reserve fund total amount is 22,760. 9,000, that is the 60% of 15,000 as per adjustment number 4, plus 13,760, that is 20% of surplus. At last total. Now we will do question number 28. From the following receipt and payment count and additional information of Ashoka for the year ended 31st March 2017. Prepare income and expenditure account of club for year ended 31st March 2017 and prepare the balance sheet as at 31st March 2017. Receipt balance BD 25,000 to subscription 2015-16 2,400, 2016-17 53,000, 2017-18 1,000. Your current year is 2016-17, so subscription receipt for a current year will be 53,000, and subscription receipt for last year, that is 2,400, and subscription receipt for next year 1,000. This 1,000 will be shown as liability in closing balance sheet, and 2,400 receipt for last year, this is opening outstanding. This is figure, that is the receipt from opening outstanding. So it will be shown in opening balance sheet as asset. Entrance fees, revenue receipt 2,500, municipal grant, revenue receipt, sale of old furniture, book value 8,000, but sold for 11,400. There is profit of 3,400 shown as income in income and expenditure account. Payment side, salary 6,000, newspaper 4,100, electricity bill 2,000, fixed deposit. Brackets mention है on 1st Jan 2017 at the rate 9% per annum, 40,000. This is your investment shown in balance sheet, closing balance sheet as asset. Books 21,200, this is your asset. Rent 13,600 shown as expense. Furniture asset 21,000, and at last balance CD 7,400. This is your closing cash and bank balance shown in closing balance sheet. Now check करो dear, fixed deposit 40,000 made on 1st Jan 2017. So accrued interest 40,000, 9% of 40,000, that 3,600 for full year. But FD is made on 1st Jan, so accrued interest is for only 3 months, Jan, Feb, March. 3,600 into 3 by 12, that is 900. There is no receipt of interest in receipt side, so 900 interest will be accrued interest. That interest will be shown as income as well as asset in closing balance sheet. Now adjustments. First, subscription outstanding as on 31st March 2016 were 3,000 and on 31st March 2017 6,000. Opening outstanding was 3,000. Out of 3,000 received during the year 2,400. So in opening balance sheet, outstanding subscription shown 3,000, not 2,400. Out of 3,000, 2,400 is receipt. So 600 is debt pending. Now read carefully. Subscription outstanding as on 31st March 2017 6,000. Word is as on. It means 600 of last year is also included in this figure 6,000. So current year outstanding will be 5,400, not 6,000. If there is word for, then 6,000 is current is only for current year. If word is as on, in that case subscription is outstanding for current year as well as for last year. So current year outstanding will be 5,400. Second adjustment, as on 31st March 2016, salary outstanding was 900 and on 31st March 2017, salary outstanding was 1,200. Opening outstanding, opening balance sheet liability, closing outstanding, closing balance sheet liability. And salary expense will be 6,000 plus closing outstanding 1,200 and minus opening outstanding 900. So expense of salary will be 6,300. Third adjustment, the club owned furniture 30,000 and books of rupees 14,000 on 1st April 2016. These items shown in opening balance sheet as well as closing balance sheet. Now we will prepare income and expenditure account. Firstly, by subscription 58,400. Subscription receipt for current year was 53,000 and outstanding for current year is 5,400. 6,000 minus 600. So total amount of subscription will be 58,400. Next, entrance fees 2,500. No adjustment. Next, grant, municipal grant 20,000. Profit on sale of furniture. Book value 8,000 and sold for 11,400. So there will be profit of 3,400. By accrued interest on FD 900. For at last total. Now expenditure side. Salary 6,300. Amount of salary paid 6,000. Closing outstanding add करना और opening outstanding manage करना. Newspaper as it, no adjustment. Electricity bill 2,000 as it, no adjustment. Rent as it, no adjustment. So there will be surplus of 59,200. Now prepare opening balance sheet. Firstly, opening cash 25,000. Outstanding subscription 3,000 given in adjustment number 1. Furniture opening 30,000 given in adjustment number 3 and books 14,000 given in adjustment number 3. At last total. There is opening outstanding salary 900 given in adjustment number 2 and balance figure will be capital fund, that is 71,100. At last total. Now we will prepare Closing balance sheet. Cash 7400. Outstanding subscription for current year 5400. Add outstanding for last year 600. So total outstanding will be 6000. Fixed deposit made during the year and accrued interest on work fixed deposit 900. Furniture 30,000 opening minus 8,000 sold during the year plus 21,000 purchased during the year. So total amount of furniture will be 43,000. Books, opening books are 14,000 and purchased during the year 21,200. So total books are 35,200. Now liability side. Outstanding salary 1200 given in adjustment number 2. Subscription received in advance 1000 given in receipt and payment account. Now opening capital fund 71,100 as per opening balance sheet. Add surplus made during the year 59,200. So total amount of capital fund will be 1,30,300. Thanks.